How to fix verification code not received. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you fix verification code not received. So let's get started. First, you'll have to check your internet connection. Make sure you have the stable internet or Wi-Fi connection. Poor network can delay or block verification code. After that, you can just try to add or turn on your airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds. After that, you can simply try to restart your device. For that, from the settings section for iPhone, tap on General. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Shutdown. After you restart your device, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, check for any notification access you have provided to that app or not. For that, from settings section again, scroll down and tap on Apps. From App section, find out that application from where you want to request a code. After you open that, from your tap on notification, from your tap on allow notification. After that, you can just try to request a new code. After that, you'll be able to find the new code that will send to your mobile number or email. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.